Hello. I think that we still and every day combat with this problem to see this, where is the problem, what is most important, and divide this very problem and act to solve it, and not all what is around. And the gospel of today is presenting this in a very clear way, so that we are not bothered with these superficial things as we can consider. It is the Sabbath day or not Sabbath day, it's not of importance of us. We see this ill woman and Jesus who is healing her, and this is for us important because we know Jesus is a brave person, Jesus is most important, Jesus is doing the right thing. We know that by definition, so we are not so much distracted by this problem that is for Pharisee, that this is the Sabbath day. But in a real life, when we don't know who is the person who is healing, or who is and about the person, and we see much more the rule that is really observed by many people, as Sabbath day was observed in this scene of today in the gospel. So we see in the forehand, in the first plan, in the foreground, we see the rules, and we don't see and can oversee the problem as the woman. And so we need really to overcome very many obstacles to go to the real problem, to help a person, even if all the people are saying, no, the person has not this document, these documents, or this is this kind of person, and we don't deal with such kind of persons, and so on. And I think that till now it's really a challenge for our person to see who is suffering, how can I help, and if all observed rules are really more important than the sufferings. Thank you.